when you think about new goods is, that what can I do to get a handle on the value being added by a new good? One thing that this, so one way to think about it is like you were saying is, I got this new good and the price starts way up here. Effectively, the price is up here. It doesn't have to be infinite. It's just higher than you'd be willing to pay. You don't buy any of it. And then as the price comes down, eventually you're going to start consuming this good. And when you first start consuming the good, you start consuming it here. And you're going to say, well, how much weight? Well, if I'm using a price index that starts with my initial bundle, I'm going to put 0 value on that first decrease in price. Because that first DP is going to be multiplied by 0 because I wasn't buying any. And then as the price falls, I'm going to start picking up these, these boxes, right? I'm going to gain this, and I'm going to gain this. And then eventually, say we get to here, and then the price comes down and gets to here. I'm going to estimate how much I gained from all those price reductions as kind of the sum of all those boxes. Now, we haven't shown it yet, but what we're going to show in a bit is that actually what you kind of would like to measure is like the area of this, what we'll call consumer surplus. Now, in this simple example, if I pick the good up quickly and I sort of follow it along the way, I could get pretty close to getting the value of the new good. Now, there are going to be reasons why this isn't going to work, and I'm going to try to explain those. Probably next time I'll try to explain why this is like better in theory than in practice, because it's going to be, yes?
That second graph, how would the
Hicksian demand curve? Well, there'd be multiple Hicksian demand curves, right? There would be a Hicksian demand curve here, and there would be a Hicksian demand curve here. Okay? For those of you reading along, will find that this area here and this area here are what people call, one of them is compensating variation, one of them is called equivalent variation. I can never remember which one's which, but they're something like those. But the point is, at least in this simple example, they sort of suffer from the same problem, right? In this case, they'd be ordered. I'd have like the Hicksian, call it Lesper's index, the Hicksian Posh index, and then the equivalent variation and the compensating variation all kind of ordered in a particular order between those. Okay? So that would be the Hicksian experiment.